Hi, this is Andy Cruz with BNI San Diego, and the purpose of this video is to show you how to access member traffic lights on BNI Connect. So first we need to log into BNI Connect. Enter your username and password credentials and click Login. When you're logged in, this takes you to the main profile page for your BNI Connect profile. On the left-hand side, you see a banner that says My BNI Business, and underneath it, it says My Network, Chapter, and Region. Click on the button that says My Network. Once you've clicked on My Network, you're going to go to the Documents section on the right-hand side and click on the button that says More. Once you've clicked on the More button, this takes you to the entire document list of documents that have been uploaded by BNI San Diego. When you're looking for the member traffic lights, you can either come to the bottom, choose the next button to see other screens, or you can show more than 10 entries by choosing 25, 50, or 100, or you can also click in the Refine box and just type the word traffic. When you do that, BNI Connect will automatically start looking for that keyword in the title of documents and come up with two in this specific example. One is the member traffic light report for 2012, which was the entire year, and the other one is the 2013 March member traffic light report, which was our traffic light data from January 1st until March 31st of 2013. You'll have a number of options based on whether you're using a Macintosh or if you're using a PC. You can either click on the link itself and it will go to your download section or actually open it for you as a PDF. The other option is you can right click and you can save the link as download the linked file as, and if you do that, it'll just go through your natural process of trying to figure out where you want to save it. As you can see, my system is set up to automatically pull up the traffic light report, and so when you do so, you'll have the access based on alphabetical order, starting with the All Stars on page 1 all the way down to the last chapter in this example, which is Wealth and Networking. And go ahead and locate your chapter based on the name. This is alphabetized A through Z. And then once you find your chapter, you look for your specific name and follow it across all the way to the right-hand side where it shows the total score. If you have any questions about this, please contact your director consultant.